Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix error code 182 when you try to use the Adobe software or apps. When you try to install Adobe Photoshop, for example, in this case, as 415 installation failed, unable to install Adobe Photoshop because of encounter error code 182. So here there is a one correct answer. If that doesn't work, please go to Adobe customer service, and here you can contact the Adobe support and try to tell your story about this. You encounter error code 182. So you can try resetting the CC app, Creative Cloud desktop app. If this doesn't work, you can go to the help adobe.com here. And also there are some article. There is an article that error 182 is all about Adobe Creative Cloud desktop application. So the first thing to do, you can try to reinstall the Adobe CC first. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and circle the text button below. See you in the next video.